Your Hollywood maintenance. I turned this down and it says hold until 3. I want to take that off, the schedule thing. So how you do that, you hit systems till it starts blinking like this, all of them. And then you hit the second and fourth box. You hold them down till it changes. There we go. I'm looking at, I downloaded the sheet to my phone. I'm gonna go to 160. 4 is on, then I'm gonna head down. 0 is off, and then done. See, now it just has the time. It's not holding until then. This way it stays on constantly. That's how you take off the schedule. Thanks for watching.